Welcome to QuickBooks Online. First, let's explore how to get around, where to find your settings, and how to get help when needed. Select Dashboard to see shortcuts to some of the most common activities in QuickBooks. You can also view your sales, an overview of your bank accounts, and charts and graphs. Select Customize your dashboard to customize what you see. You can also hide your financial info on your dashboard by selecting this icon here. Reports and Analytics section is where you run valuable reports on your company's performance. This is also where you can take a look at budgets and other financial planning tools. Select My Apps to find where to perform your work in QuickBooks. You can also use the Search tool. Accounting lets you connect your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks. You can securely and automatically import transactions, which are either categorized for you by QuickBooks or you can enter the required data yourself. Connecting your accounts keeps your books up to date and accurate, and is an important first step in the setup process. Integration transactions is where you see transactions from all your connected sales channels, like eBay or Squarespace. You can also upload and review receipts, reconcile your books, and customize your chart of accounts to manage how you want to categorize and track transactions. In Expenses and Bills, you can see suppliers, record expenses, and enter and pay bills. You can also track your business mileage here. Sales and Get Paid helps you manage your money in options, such as sending invoices to customers, accepting payments, and tracking the products and services you sell. You manage your customers and leads in the Customer Hub. Use Payroll to pay your team and MailChimp to reach customers faster. Select Team to add and view your employees. Time lets you enter and approve the hours your team works. Depending on your QuickBooks plan, you can track and plan your project financials under Projects. Inventory is where you can track your products and services, purchase orders, and sales orders. Tax lets you set up and pay your sales taxes. You can view and manage year-end taxes and filings for your business here. You can customize your navigation at any time, pin apps or drag and rearrange pinned apps. You can add bookmarks for the pages you use most often. When you need to quickly create something, such as a new invoice or expense transaction, go to Create and select the transaction or entry you need to open. Now that you can get around, select the gear icon to see your settings options. Here you can do things like add and manage users, manage your subscriptions and billing info, and set your preferences to optimize QuickBooks for your business. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to chat with our online assistant, see topics related to the page you're on, or search for more info. Now that you know your way around, what's next is up to you. Visit our video center to find more videos on how to get set up. Welcome to QuickBooks.